Hello guys, I'm back. Unang-una po, babatiin ko lang po kayo ng Happy New Year. Hope this year is our prosperous New Year. Good year for us. At sana po mawala na rin po ang COVID. And I pray and I hope everybody is okay. And this year will be our lucky year. Binabati ko po rin po ang aking family sa Philippines, my mama, may mga kapatid ko, brothers and sisters, and of course my family here in Japan. At binabati ko rin po rin yung aking mga friends sa YouTube. Thank you guys for watching always my video. Bye! See you again. Happy New Year everyone. Of course din, binabati ko rin po ang aking mga pamangkin, apo, ang aking mga pamangkin na magaganda at pogi. Guys, please watch your auntie's video on YouTube. Mag-subscribe na kayo at make your own channel. Okay guys? See you again. Bye. Happy New Year everyone. Bless us all. Thank you. Bye. Super lamig po ngayon dito. Bye-bye.